Alright, welcome back everybody for another unboxing video. Welcome back, girls and boys. So this unboxing is Arbolief Smart Fitness Scale, model number ZS20A. Download the Arbolief app. Alright, so it's for my juicing, for myself, and for my clients, my patients, future patients. When I start getting to juicing, and I get juicing customers and clients, and they're gonna go through their fitness journey. So this one's gonna be nice and quick, my peeps. Not too much to go over. It's just a smart fitness scale. Okay, do not use if you have pacemaker, artificial lung, or ECG, or any other internal medical device. Do not use if you are pregnant. Do not use it on slippery floors. Do not use when your body is wet. Product size 12 inches by 12 inches by 1 inch. Weight 1 pound. Maximum weight. So it can hold up to 396 pounds, my peeps. Alright. Minimum weight. Oh, it's, I would say, would have been USB. Eventually I'll get everything USB. It's 4 AAA batteries. So I'm gonna have to get some AAA batteries. Harbor Freights for sure, or order some online, Amazon. But yeah, there you go. Arbolief Corporation. They're in Texas. I'll check out their support. I'll check out the website and everything. And I'll send them the unboxing video and all that good stuff. Alright everyone, let's open this bad boy up. See what's up. Let's see what's up. What's the goodies? What's good inside of this goodie? What's the goodness? Oh shit, I stopped. I was supposed to just open it like this. My bad, I got the sidetrack. Oh man, it's all good. Oh, hold on, my piece. Not even recording this, huh? Back this up. Alright, there you go. Open this up. Oh, nice. Let's check it out, my peeps. Oh, it's a beautiful scale, man. Check it out, my peeps. I gotta get that fucker. So there you go, my peeps. There you go, my peeps. Check it out. It's a beautiful scale. It's nice and thin. I'm gonna say like 1.5 inches, no more than 2 inches thick. Okay, let's read the back. So it says Smart Fitness Scale, model ZS20A, capacity 396 pounds, 180 kilograms, 28 ST, resolution 0.2 pounds, 0.05 kilograms, batteries 4 AAA 1.5 volts. Support at arbolief.com. Arbolief free app QR code. There you go. Nothing fancy. You have the little grommets, rubber grommets, so it won't slide, so it won't move, so it'll be stationary on all 4 corners. Alright, my peeps, so this is it. Where do you know how much do you weigh? How does this work? Because where's the numbers? So let me see. Does it even come with the batteries? Hold on, my piece. Because I gotta look at the manual too, right? Yeah, no batteries. Look. No batteries, my peeps. Was it like this? Oh, jeez. Nope, it was the other way around. Oops. How was this? Oh, jeez. Nope. How was this? Okay, like that. There you go. So you push it up. You slide it up. Alright, my piece. So I need the batteries. It didn't come with batteries. Let's look at the manual. That's all it comes with. Oh, it does come with the batteries. It does come with the batteries. Cool. So batteries, my piece, batteries are included. All right. So smart fitness scale. Here's a little manual. Thank you. Table of contents. Stay information. Scale overview. Setup scale. Warning. Oh, I got a low battery in my piece, so this is gonna be the last video. Hopefully I have a battery, so I have to go back to the storage and pick one up and then come back, and hopefully I don't lose my spot, hopefully I don't. All right, so you gotta enter your profile, name, gender, date, height, all that good stuff. So you gotta create like a profile. It seems like it's Bluetooth. Yup, it's Wi-Fi configuration. Awesome, my piece. Oh, and it tells you through your phone, and then like the person, because you could create multiple files, configure Wi-Fi. All right, my piece, this seems pretty cool, and it's all digital. We'll connect this with some time, but my battery is about to die, so I gotta like, unfortunately, wrap this video up, my peeps. But with time, we're gonna go through this, obviously, because I'm gonna use it, but this is just an unboxing video, my peeps. All right, so we'll go through this, my peeps, with patience, and we'll set it up and all that good stuff with time. All right, everyone, so I hope you guys like this unboxing video of the Arbor Leaf fitness scale, and we'll set this up, my peeps. We'll set this up. All right, everyone. I messed up the way I opened this. It's all good. It's all good. My bad, my peeps. Just closing it up. All right, everyone. That's it for this one. All right. Peace, love, and health. Like, comment, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Be a producer, not a consumer. All right, everybody. Laters.